Hello, the following tutorial is on the My Collections feature. The My Collection feature of the archive provides a fast and easy way to store clipped articles and newspaper pages. How to use the My Collections feature. When a search is executed, the results are displayed in groups of 10, 1 to 10. Each result contains an image of a newspaper and an image of an article. The result also contains snippets of text from the OCR, which is Optical Character Recognition. To save an article to the My Collections feature, please click on the article. Once clicked, the article will open up in a new pop-up window or dialog box. The article view provides a number of different options for sharing and saving. Represented by a star is the My Collection. You have print, email, save download, Facebook, Twitter, and a link, a URL link to the article itself. The My Collection feature is represented by a star logo. When selected, the star will change from grey colour to a blue colour. Once selected, the article will be stored in the My Collection area. To view the collection, please look to the top right-hand corner for the My Collection button. The My Collection area will allow users to save research in a quick and handy manner. Important information about My Collection. The My Collection feature uses the browser's history to store the collection. Therefore, while offering a quick and handy method for bookmarking research, we strongly suggest downloading important articles and pages to your local drive. The My Collection is only retrievable through the PC used to save the information, and the collection will not be available after a subscription expires to our site. How to download the My Collections feature. Please open the My Collections area, represented top right hand corner by the My Collections button. Please select the article you wish to save to your local hard drive. The article will open in the Article View window. Use the Save/Download button represented by a floppy disk. Your PC will now open the Save As window, and from here you can select where you wish to save your articles. This is the safest way to save any important research. If you require more information, please do not hesitate to contact info@irishnewspaperarchives.com. Thank you.